Actually, initially it started from back pain. So after that, constipation problem started, and I was not able to sit also. So that time I thought, when back pain came, I thought because of stress or more work something. But after that I came to know there is abscess also. So that time immediately I went to doctor. So something is wrong like that. So there, I think some 5 to 6 places they opened, and they have removed pus everything. That day they told condition is very worse, and we have to observe for 1 week. Finally, after 1 week, doctor told now nothing to worry. Body swelling also came down. So now we will discharge. You have to keep a nurse for, I think it will take 2 months, 2.5 months it will take for complete healing. So you appoint a nurse, and then only we will discharge like that. The nurse has to come here, then we have to teach her how the dressing will be done, everything. So we were thinking a lot how to get a nurse, how to do the dressing, how to get it healed, because that much worse condition was there, my condition. So if the dressing is not done properly, then wound will not heal. Again infection comes, means how it will be like that. And we were thinking a lot. We were worried more about that only. So finally we were searching for agency. He only suggested. So I asked him only. He told you go for Nightingales, and he gave the number, everything. So then we discussed with them. So from 27th November we started at home. First day sister only came, actually Manju sister came. She told she is from Nightingale, and she asked about the wound, everything. She met their nurse, and she inquired about this one. So when she told she has some 10 years experience and all, we felt she is only better like that. When I saw her only, I felt she is better like that. One day she saw how they are doing the dressing, everything. Then next day she has done the dressing in front of their staff, and they have approved. So after that, from 27 onwards, we started here in our home. Daily twice she used to come. See, paying money is different, but service also should be good. If we spend money also, service, if it is not okay or nurse is not okay, then definitely wound will not heal, and recovery will not be there. My wound was not such a easy one, it was. So we were also scared how she will do, how it will be. So to remove that dressing also we were very much scared. So we used to wait for sister only. Sister, you remove everything, then only I will take bath. So after that also initially a lot of pain was there. Everything she handled very nicely, and dressing also. We don't have, and in between she used to tell, you do like this, you do like that. So that improvements also she used to tell. So morning around 8:30, 9 o'clock she used to come, and she used to do the dressing. Again evening around 3:30, so we used to sit bath and dressing. So daily twice she used to come, and initially it was taking 1.5 hours time. So later on, day by day, it reduced. Manju sister, anyway, because of her, the way she has done the dressing, the way she has done, anyway, wound has improved a lot, and I am able to recover also fast. Because when I came here, my stage was, I was not able to walk also properly. Within 1 week, that pus also has gone, it started healing also. So that is because of Manju sister only. Means we didn't feel that they are from outside, they are some outsiders and we are interacting them. Like that we didn't feel anything. So if I say, the sister it's paining, they also used to feel my pain. And they used to tell, don't worry, we'll do like this, we'll do like that. Hospital, if I would have been there also for 1 month, 2 months, charges would have been almost same or little more than that, not so much difference. But home is home. So in home, our people will be there. So I think if we take home service like this, recovery will be fast than at nursing home. For many people, getting treated at home is better. You can say for aged people or people like me, this wound, if I would have stayed in hospital for 2 months, really I would have become mad. I came to home, so here home had atmosphere also, my own people were there. So I recovered fast, really. We are 100% happy. Now, really we are thinking, if anybody asks, we can suggest like this service is there, so you can go ahead, you can go with them like that.